Hello, and thank you for choosing the Ethanani channel. You might be wondering why I have an iRobot box in front of me. Well, that's because it's really my astronomy project. You see, we've got a bunch of moons in here, and none of them have anything on it. They're just moons, untouched moons. But what happens if we just point this at a light? As you can see, we've got multiple moon phases here. And I've verified that this is big enough for a human head. So, all you need to do is simply put your head inside, look at a light. It could be a natural light. It could even be a flashlight. Simple as that. And you can aim it in there, and you can see kind of that there are moon phases. So, thanks for watching.